So really good pickup. And so far, a really comfortable ride on this bumpy back road. And I really love how they did the steering wheel. The Alcantara just feels really good when the steering wheel's heated. And these things are fast, and I just love the exhaust note. It just sounds so good. And just on cruise control here, really quiet. Just from the car in general, everything's really quiet. So far I've just been driving in normal mode. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it into sport and see what that does. Then we're gonna engage the paddle shifters. So really quick, just really, really fast. And I have the cruise control on now, keeping me a safe distance from that car in front of me. And the Maxima really does tend to run better without the paddle shifters, in my personal opinion. I mean, it's a CVT, so unless you just like using paddle shifters, there's really no reason to use them. But coming down the interstate, really, really nice ride. And I have the adaptive cruise on again. And a really nice brake. Most adaptive cruises, when you have to brake, it's very abrupt, but that was so smooth. It's like the car knew what was happening. That was really great. And overall, so far, it's just been a great driving experience. I'm comfortable in the seat, very adjustable. It's nice and open in here, especially with the roof back. Well, this is going to bring me to an end of my review of the 2021 Nissan Maxima SR.